You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because your paycheck has no job. Every month it hits your account. For 1 second you breathe. Then rent. Then car note. Then groceries. Then gas. Then that random charge you forgot about. And somehow, you're back at $37.42. You don't even remember spending it. You just know it's gone. You're not lazy. You're not stupid. You're not undisciplined. You're operating without a system. And when there's no system, money disappears into survival. Today we fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your paycheck goes, why it feels like it vanishes, and the simple 4-step system that tells your money where to go before it leaves you. This is day 1 of turning $0 into $1,000. Let's take control. First, here's the truth nobody told you. Your paycheck doesn't disappear. It gets claimed. Automatically. Bills claim it. Subscriptions claim it. Debt claims it. Habits claim it. And you're left negotiating with what's left over. That's backwards. We're flipping it. Step 1. Find the leaks. Not track for a year. Not download 5 apps. Just do this today. Open your banking app. Scroll back 30 days. Add up 3 numbers only. Housing. Transportation. Food. If you make $2,400 a month and rent is $1,100, car is $450, gas is $200, groceries are $500. That's $2,250. Before your phone bill. Before insurance. Before anything else. Now you see the problem clearly. Most people think they're overspending on coffee. They're not. They're stretched on fixed costs. Common mistake here? Blaming small purchases instead of big commitments. We're not cutting lattes first. We're understanding structure. And in a minute, I'll show you the number that actually decides whether you stay stuck or move forward. Step 2. Separate survival from lifestyle. Survival is rent, basic food, utilities, transportation to work. Lifestyle is everything else. Streaming, eating out, upgraded phone plans, convenience spending. Here's the hard part. When you live paycheck to paycheck, lifestyle feels like survival. Because it keeps you sane. I get it. But we need clarity. If your income is $3,000 and survival costs $2,400, that leaves $600. If you don't separate it mentally, that $600 just blends into spending. It leaks. Common mistake? Thinking, I deserve this every time money feels tight. You do deserve comfort, but you also deserve stability. And stability comes first. Stay with me because the next step is where everything changes. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Even if it's $25. This is the shift. Right now, everyone gets paid before you do. Landlord first. Car lender first. Grocery store first. You last. We reverse that. The moment your paycheck hits, you move money to a separate savings account. Before bills. Before spending. Even if it's $25. Even if it feels small. If you get paid $2,000 twice a month, move $50 from each check. That's $100 a month. In 10 months, that's $1,000. No raise required. Common mistake? Waiting until there's extra. There is never extra. You take it first. Then adjust spending around what's left. And in a few minutes, I'll show you how to make this automatic so willpower doesn't matter. Step 4. Give every dollar a job before the month starts. This is where most people fail. They spend. Then review. We plan. Then spend. Before your next paycheck, write this down. Income, $2,800. Assign it. $1,100 rent. $450 car. $500 groceries. $200 gas. $150 utilities. $100 savings. $200 debt. $100 buffer. When every dollar has a name, it stops wandering. If there's no category for random target runs, guess what? They shrink. Common mistake? Being vague. Food is vague. Groceries is specific. Eating out is specific. Clarity removes guilt. Now here's the part that might surprise you. Most people don't need more money first. They need visibility. Because once you see clearly, decisions get easier. Mini win time. Right after this video, open your bank app. Cancel one subscription. Just one. That's $10 to $20 back instantly. Now move that amount into savings. You just paid yourself. Small? Powerful? Also yes. And let me say this clearly. You are not behind in life. If you're making $1,500 to $3,500 a month right now, you are surviving in one of the most expensive economies in history. That's not failure. That's pressure. What we're doing here is building control inside that pressure. And control creates confidence. Once your paycheck has a job, your stress drops. Because now you're deciding, not reacting. This is day one of turning $0 into $1,000. Today we found where your paycheck goes. Next, we fix the real reason you can't save more than a few $100s without something wiping it out. Because it's not bad luck. It's something you haven't built yet. And once you do, emergencies stop feeling like disasters. Watch day 2. We're building your first real safety net.